Tamil Nadu moved closer to forming a new government on May 9th after Tamilaga Vetri Kadagam chief C. Joseph Vijay staked claim to form the government with the support of 120 MLAs in the 234-member assembly. Vijay met Governor Rajendra Vishwanath Allekar at Lok Bhavan in Chennai on the evening of May 9th. This was his fourth meeting with the governor in the last 3 days amid intense political negotiations following the hung assembly verdict. The breakthrough came after the Vidyuthalai Chiruthaikal Kachi and the Indian Union Muslim League extended unconditional support to the TVK. Vijay was accompanied by leaders from the Congress, CPI, CPIM, PCK and IUML during the meeting with the governor. With the latest support, the TVK-led alliance now commands 120 MLAs. The alliance includes TVK with 108 seats, Congress with 5, CPI and CPIM with 2 seats each, and VCK and IUML with 2 seats each. The effective strength of TVK stands at 107. Earlier support from Congress and the left parties had taken the alliance tally to 116. The addition of VCK and IUML helped Vijay comfortably cross the majority mark of 118. Vijay is scheduled to take oath as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu on May 10th at 3 p.m.